Surf has kept lifeguards very busy. Ocean Safety making 50 rescues on the windward side today, nearly 900 preventative actions, the majority at Sandy Beach. And as Justin just said, many advisories and warnings in effect throughout the state through Sunday. Some beaches already shut down, and HECO warning of potential power outages. Nikki Schenfeld has more.
Oh, this wind is really crazy today.
It was a perfect day for windsurfers as winds picked up fast this afternoon across Oahu. But Hawaiian Electric is warning customers of potential outages.
High winds can lead to falling trees and debris falling into power lines and damaging equipment, and heavy rains can lead to flooding of underground cables and other electrical infrastructure. So it all adds up to the potential for possible outages.
HECO says they're making sure crews are ready to go.
We're also asking our customers to be prepared, because even though it may seem sunny during the day, we know that uncertainty is what comes with the weather.
The Department of Water Supply on Oahu and Hawaii Island are asking customers to conserve water if the power goes out. Both say they rely on electricity to move millions of gallons of water daily to residents and businesses.
We're making sure they're all topped off. We're positioning mobile generators to be ready to move out just in case. So we just want to be prepared, that's all.
They ask customers not to wash their cars or water their lawns until the power is restored. The city closed Hanauma Bay Friday due to the hazardous surf. These windy conditions and high surf conditions are expected to last through Sunday. The city says they're going to check in with lifeguards tomorrow to see if Hanauma Bay can reopen or if it's going to remain closed.
We're expecting a large swell to roll in through the weekend. Now is not the time to be kayaking, diving.
Sandy Beach seeing some huge sets this afternoon, with lifeguards monitoring by land and sea.
You don't have experience or the proper equipment, keep it on dry sand.
I want to just advise everyone that even the experienced guys out here are getting rescued. Boards are breaking. We've done over 20 rescues to surfers out here today.
He says most are from being blown off the top of the wave, falling down the back, and breaking their boards. North, west, and east shores all seeing dangerous conditions this weekend.
But if you're inexperienced and you're not used to these size waves, please stay on the dry sand.
Nikki Schenfeld, KHON2 News, working for Hawaii.